Hi, my name is Sarah Norris. I am the Community Gardens Program Manager here at the KU Med Botanic Gardens. For you today, I have the top 5 gardening tips for gardening at home. The first one is location. Your location is very important. Your sunlight and water access all are part of that. You want to make sure you choose a place that has full sun and you have easy access to water. Your number 2 gardening tip is containers. If you're short on space, you can grow in anything that you might have available to you. So I've grown in milk jugs before. We've got yogurt cups and Dixie cups. You can grow in tulip crates or a milk crate. Anything you can find at home. Most plants will adapt to a container just fine. Number 3 is right plant, right place. That's one of the most important tips. You want to plant a plant in the right growing conditions. So this is a pepper plant that likes full sun. If I were to grow it in a shady condition, it wouldn't do as well as it would in full sun. Number 4 is mulch. Mulch is very important for the earth because it helps to cover the soil, it retains moisture in the soil, and it makes for a happier, healthier plant. It also helps to suppress the weed seeds. And number 5 is fertilizer. Fertilizer is really great for adding extra nutrients to your soil. It can come in a liquid or in a soil version. I just recommend that you pay attention to the label. More is not better in that case. The benefits of gardening at home are they allow you to grow your own food directly at home. You don't have to go to a grocery store. You have a more constant supply of whatever it is you like to eat. You have more control over it, so that leafy greens, for example, are one of the easiest things to grow, and yet if you buy them in the grocery store, they have a chance to be polluted with E. coli. We've had a lot of those issues. So you can grow it at home and know that it's growing safe. By growing locally, you're also minimizing fossil fuels by the driving back and forth. And growing at home is just more fun. It allows you more access. It's good for you to be in the soil. The soil has so many wonderful microbes that are actually beneficial for human health as well. It just makes you happy. And all of that will benefit the earth. Thank you for listening.